Imagine checking your bank account and seeing something unusual: money left after all your bills are paid. For a moment, it feels good. Then comes the real question that confuses almost everyone. What should you do with it? Should you use it to pay off your debt faster and become free sooner? Or should you invest it and try to grow your money for the future? This one decision looks small, but in reality, it can change your entire financial life. It can decide whether your future feels stressful or financially free. And the crazy part is, most people don't use math here. They use emotion, fear, or advice from random videos. Let's make this simple. When you pay off debt, you are basically earning a guaranteed return. If your loan has 10% interest, paying it off is like earning a safe 10% return. No risk, no loss, just certainty. Now compare that with investing. The stock market can grow your money over time, often around 7 to 10% per year on average. But it doesn't move in a straight line. Some years it goes up a lot, and some years it drops hard. So here is the real question. Do you choose safety and certainty, or do you choose growth with risk? Let's make it even clearer with a simple example. Imagine you have a loan with 6% interest. You also have extra money every month. If you use it to pay the loan faster, you save interest and become debt-free sooner. That feels amazing and reduces stress instantly. But if you invest that same money instead, and the market performs well over time, your money could grow much bigger in the long run. So technically, investing can win on numbers. But life is not only numbers, because debt also affects your mind. Every loan you have is a small pressure sitting in the background. Even if you can afford it, it still takes mental space. Paying it off removes that pressure completely. On the other hand, investing gives you something different: hope. A feeling that your money is working for you, even while you sleep. Now here is what most people ignore. Not all debt is the same. High-interest debt like credit cards is dangerous. It grows fast and becomes harder to escape. In most cases, paying it off is the best decision you can make. But low-interest debt, like some home loans, is different. It moves slowly and can sometimes be handled while you invest at the same time. There is also one more important thing people forget: emergency savings. Before you focus on investing or extra debt payments, you need backup money. Because life can change anytime. A medical bill, job loss, or emergency expense can destroy your plan if you are not prepared. So what is the best answer? There is no one perfect rule. If your debt is high and stressful, focus on clearing it. If your debt is low and manageable, you can invest and grow at the same time. And if you want balance, you can even do both. The real secret is not choosing perfectly. It is staying consistent with your choice. Because wealth is not built by one smart decision. It is built by thousands of small, steady actions over time. And the sooner you start, the more powerful your future becomes.